Do you want to transition your career into high-paid project management, but you fear that you will not be able to fulfill the roles and responsibilities and you may fail, letting yourself and those around you down? In this video, I'm going to show you how people are transforming and accelerating their careers into high-paid project management whilst achieving time and financial freedom by using their existing knowledge and skills, or even if they've got zero experience. I'm Tessa Rumbimoro. I'm a career coach, and I help individuals looking to transition their career into high-paid project management. For many years, I could not find the solution to my self-imposed prison of working hard as a social worker with nothing to show for it until I was made redundant from a job that I thought I loved. I was forced to face my fears and learned a very simple method that I'm very passionate about because it has changed mine and my mentees' lives for the better by realizing what can be achieved in this life by doing what I love and good at and getting paid good money for it. I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps that you need to take and learn about how to make a transition into high-paid project management even if you've got zero experience, and the secret of landing a high-paid job in project management using your existing skills and knowledge, and also how to get all the project management skills and tools you need to do an amazing job. You may be wondering, what do these 3 steps actually entail? I'm going to show you these 3 steps which will cover. Number 1, the PM backward fast track technique. By using this method, you will be able to land a high-paid project management job even if you have no skills, by leveraging on your already existing skills and make a smooth transition into high-paid project management a whole lot easier than you ever thought. I have created a free online workshop on the link below to find out next step, where I will also show you method number 2, which is the salary shortcut technique. In this method, you will be able to manage your market worth perception through listing all the different project management positions that you know of and look at the skills criteria and salaries on the job boards. You then compare the knowledge and skills that you already have from your experience or other paid or voluntary jobs that you may have done in the past. By doing this, you will be able to look at the gaps of where you may need to upskill with some certification if needed so you can add credibility to your CV, but this is not always necessary. Finally, method number 3, I will go through the PM toolbox where I will be able to list all the different project management tools listed on the job descriptions that you'd have looked at. You will then start practicing some of these tools in your personal life to see how easy they are so you don't become overwhelmed or feeling that you are not able to use them. I talk more about these steps in more detail in the free webinar that you can access in the link below. When you finish these 3 steps, you will have much clarity of your experience, knowledge, and skills that align to specific project management jobs, and you can start creating or reviewing your CV if you already have one. And you'll be able to ace the recruitment process and excel in your job as a project manager. When I was made redundant, I decided to transition into project management. I was blown away by how simple it was and the time and financial freedom that I got. I realized I had been working autopilot for years with nothing to show for it. But when I started helping other mentees looking to transition into high-paid project management, it was clear that just knowing the process wasn't enough. They needed detailed how-to steps on exactly how to use the knowledge and skills they already had to get into high-paid project management. That gave them time and financial freedom. So I created an online workshop to do just that, and I would like to invite you to check it out in the link below. You will not only learn about how to land a high-paid project manager in a lot more detail, but I will actually give you actionable information you can use to take back much more control of your career journey immediately. I'm going to ask you a simple question. How much longer are you going to be able to carry on as you are? We both know that if you don't have the right support and community with like-minded people, you are going to stay exactly where you are, feeling tired, overworked, stressed, and struggling financially, and not getting paid what you are actually worth and feeling frustrated. You can carry on like that if you choose to do nothing, but you have the power to do something about it. If you know it's time to make a change and radically change your career trajectory, you yourself know what you need to do. So, click on the link below and check out my free webinar and learn the steps to accelerate your career and your earning potential with so much clarity and confidence.